Ready for the city of the future? Imagine a place where the hustle and bustle of urban life meets the tranquility of nature. A place where towering skyscrapers are not just concrete giants but living, breathing ecosystems. Imagine a place with 50,000 trees and zero cars. A city where green spaces are not just parks, but integrated into the very fabric of urban living. Sounds like a dream, right? A utopia where you can escape the noise and pollution without leaving the city. Well, welcome to the Forest Skyscraper. These are not just buildings, they are vertical forests that redefine urban living. First stop, Milan. A city known for its fashion and design is now leading the way in sustainable urban architecture. Milan's vertical forest is a stunning example of how we can bring nature into our urban environments. These buildings are not just visually striking, they are functional ecosystems. 2 residential towers with over 900 trees, 11,000 perennials, and ground cover plants. Imagine living in a high-rise where your balcony is a mini forest. It's not just about aesthetics. These trees absorb CO2, produce oxygen, and even protect against noise pollution. They create a microclimate that improves the quality of life for residents. It's a green oasis in the heart of the city, a place where you can find peace and serenity amidst the urban chaos. Now let's jump over to China, a country that is taking green urban planning to the next level. The country is building entire forest cities. These are not just isolated projects but part of a larger vision for sustainable living. Take Liuzhou Forest City for example. It's designed to house 30,000 people surrounded by 1 million plants of over 100 species. Imagine a city where every street is lined with trees and every building is covered in greenery. These cities are self-sufficient, energy efficient, and incredibly beautiful. They represent a new way of thinking about urban development. Imagine waking up to birds singing and fresh air every day. No more smog-filled mornings, just the scent of fresh flowers and the sound of nature. Speaking of futuristic green spaces, I spent a day in Singapore's robot gardens. That's right, robot gardens. These are not just gardens, they are technological marvels. These super trees are vertical gardens that generate solar power, act as air venting ducts, and collect rainwater. They are a perfect blend of nature and technology. It's like stepping into a sci-fi movie, but it's all real and happening now. Let's get speculative. What if more cities adopted these innovations? Could New York City look like this by 2035? A city where nature and technology coexist harmoniously. Picture AI-generated visuals of Central Park expanding, skyscrapers covered in lush greenery, and streets transformed into pedestrian-friendly zones. A city where you can walk everywhere and breathe clean air. It sounds far-fetched, but with the rapid advancements in technology and urban planning, it's not entirely out of reach. We are on the brink of a new era in urban living. Imagine the Big Apple as a green paradise. No more honking cars, just the rustle of leaves and chirping of birds. A city that feels like a forest. So, would you live here? A place where the future meets nature in perfect harmony. Tag a friend who'd love to live in a forest skyscraper. Share this vision of the future with them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic insights. Music fades out.